Today you're going to learn how to make sweet fried plantains with a really simple recipe that takes just 10 minutes. This cooked fried plantains recipe can be used with yellow or blackened ripened plantains. That's right, your plantains probably look really ripe and almost too ripe, and that's exactly when they're ready for this sweet treat. Sweet fried plantains can be cooked as a vegetarian appetizer. They're great to add to Brazilian, Cuban, or Caribbean salad bowls, and they're a really easy, healthy snack to make after work or school for your kids. It's one of the healthy fruit desserts that you can have because all that you add to it is salt. There's no sugar added at all. It's just plantains, butter, and salt. Now, you might think that you're actually burning the plantains, but it's not true. They have to be really caramelized to taste delicious. On the inside, the plantains will be sweet and soft, and they'll be nice and crunchy on the outside. The crispy outside texture is made just with using butter in the pan. When both sides of the ripened plantains are nice and crisp from the pan frying, it's time to take them out and let them dry on a plate. Then just sprinkle them with a little bit of salt and you are done. Eat them as is as a healthy snack or in a plantain bowl recipe. They taste really good with avocado too. I hope you have a wonderful day and eat delicious plantains. Cheers!